the time is come now for all the smaller regional parties to form a separate party to be called the National Federal Party or something like that. And that party will have all the regional parties as affiliate parties. Now, the National Federal Party...
And not Congress.
No, I will come to that. Let me complete.
Okay.
The National Federal Party will only field candidates to the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. It will not contest the regional elections. Regional elections will be left with affiliating units. Now, for instance, the Trinamool Congress, it will select the 39 candidates for Parliament in Bengal, but they will be fielded on National Federal Party. It will happen. It should happen in all states. The net result would be in Parliament we'll have a single cohesive party with MPs representing local interests.
I must say Radha has a fantastic imagination आणि ते खरेंच तो जो पळय नॉवेला बरयता पळय ती खरीच बरी बरयता कित्याक सांग ही कॅचीज द इमॅजिनेशन ऑफ द पीपल. आतां म्हाका सांग हे फेडरेशन म्हणजे कसले फेडरेशन? हू विल कम टुगेदर एट द सेंटर एंड हाऊ विल दे कम टुगेदर एज फार एज वन पार्टी इन द सेंटर एंड दे विल कॉन्टेस्ट सेपरेटली एट द स्टेट? This is, you can only a fiction writer can come up with a solution like this. And you tell me disqualification आता हो जो आसा पळय ऍक्ट कसो लागतलो तांकां? फाल्यां जर तातूंतले तो सोडून वचपाक जाय तांणी कशें वचप म्हाका सांग? सो वॉट दे शुड बी केप्ट आउट and you think people are going to buy a formula of this kind?
Indira Gandhi and Karunanidhi tried that.
Yeah.
And Congress was wiped out from Tamil Nadu only because Congress decided not to contest the state elections and give the state field to the Karunanidhi. What is the state of Congress in Tamil Nadu is only because of...
That is what I am saying, that the regional party, National Federal Party will only contest at the national level. It will have no business at the state level. Only the regional parties will contest.